What's going on, everyone? This is Robbie here on Gemmy Master Animatronics, and what I have to show all of you today is this Gemmy 2004 Halloween animated Freaky Geeks witch. So this item I received in the mail today, actually just a few minutes ago, and the reason why I'm filming it right now is because it is in horrible shape. I think every single movement is broken. Everything. The mouthpiece itself is string controlled and the motor shaft piece is split. The dancing, I believe, is not only a split gear but a bad belt as well, and the head turn is really screwed up. I think it's so I can't really turn it, so I believe that is definitely a split gear as well. But anyways, yeah, without further ado, I'm going to get this repair started. I think I'm going to start with the dancing, as it is really annoying. If you didn't know already, with these type of items, you have to put them back together a certain way or the dancing will not work. It is a pain. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely tackle the dancing first, and then while it's all apart, I'm gonna slowly move up to the head. So, yeah, I'm going to get this repair started, and I will take you along the way.
You've got to change your evil ways, baby. Before I start loving you, you got me running and hiding all over town. You got me sneaking and peeping.
Alrighty, so here it is. Here's the undershell, and here's under the head. So I probably spent around an hour or so just messing around with everything. The dancing actually stopped. I got it to work because, I mean, this original belt is completely snapped in half. It was terrible. So I replaced the belt and it was working great. And then I went to put back on the pins here, and it stopped dancing. And upon further inspection, yep, here it is. The original square shaft rod on that end is completely bent. Problem with that is that this was bending upwards, so it looked really bad and it did not work correctly. Thankfully, I somehow had a replacement and I put a new one on there. I also had to replace the original spindle that is attached to the 8-tooth gear, as that was also bent as well. After all of that was said and done, I fixed the mouthpiece and I replaced the gear in the head turn, and now it is fully working.
You've got to change your evil ways, baby. Before I start loving you, you got me running and hiding all over town. You got me sneaking and peeping and running around. This can't go on. Lord knows you got to change, baby.
So yeah, it now fully works. The final step now is going to be putting back on the clothing, the hands, and the head. So let me do that really quick, and yeah, stay tuned.